In this video, we are going to go over how to parallel park. First, you want to find a spot that is big enough to fit your car or truck in. Next, you want to pull your car up to around the other car's side view mirror. Then you want to turn your wheel all the way to the right and slowly begin reversing in. At around the halfway point, you want to turn your wheel back to the left and reverse again, straightening the car in. Then you will pull up to the car in front of you, straightening out the car. Leave a little space between the car in front of you and the car in back of you. And that is how you parallel park. Now, if you're on the other side of the street, you would want to turn your wheel all the way to the left, and then at the halfway point, you would turn the wheel back to the right until you got into the spot. Car pulls up, finds a spot big enough, pulls up a little bit more, turns the wheel all the way to the right, halfway point, turn the wheel back to the left, you're in the spot. Now let's look at what it looks like inside of the car. Car finds a spot, turn the wheel all the way to the right, at around the halfway point, turn the wheel back to the left, straightening the car in, turn the wheel a little bit more to the left, and that is how you parallel park.